So, driver couldn't get it all the way in the shop. Little lip right there stopped us from getting this crate in here. So I got to unbox it outside. But as you see, I got something in from Better Body. Wouldn't have guessed by all of them trips, I got a full dumbbell set and rack. I got extremely lucky and I won this all on Instagram by just liking and sharing one of their posts and making a comment. Let's figure out where we're going to put this in our setup because I'm running out of room already, but I have plans in mind for that. We've been really busy here. Like I said, we're now past the holiday rush with all my other stuff going on. Like I said, I did a lot of rearranging. Still got a mess over there to deal with, but that's in progress. I now got to get that all unboxed, and we ended up selling the one little dumbbell set we had here. Moved a lot of stuff around, so I'm actually going to place this dumbbell set right off over here. But first, let's get that stand built. Now with this rack, seems to be nicely packaged. A lot of styrofoam and foam and wrapping. Now this rack is going to be a hold all these dumbbells, which are 5 pounds to 50 pounds. Like, there's not a whole lot to this, it looks like, but everything is nicely packaged and hopefully we have no issues. Now, as you see, we have everything laid out down here. Like I said, there is not a whole lot to this. We got our 4 feet. We got 6 cross members that are going to bolt onto these. Nothing to this. This shouldn't take more than 5 minutes to put together. Now that rack took essentially no time to get this put together. Like I said, all we had was 6 bolts. It's a nice looking rack. Like I said, they got some custom cut inlays. It's all nice, heavy duty steel. It's not going anywhere. It's going to take me longer to open up all of these than it did to put this together. And there we have it. We have 5 all the way up to 50. Now, I need to give a huge shout out to Better Body Equipment. Like I said, I wouldn't be able to afford these right now. A lot of my other money's tied up in my business. And if it wasn't for them having this giveaway on Instagram, there's no way I'd have this in here. Like I said, I've always wanted something like this. And at some point in time, I was planning on getting something like this. But if you can, be sure to go over and follow them. Like I said, I want to give a big thanks to them for sending this out to me. Like I said, I'm always about entering some contests. I was very surprised when I won this. Like I said, in this right here, it is all nice, great quality. Like I said, this set, I believe they sell for somewhere around $1,100, $1,200. And like I said, if you've bought dumbbells, they are expensive, especially once you get up into these bigger, heavier sizes. I mean, it's crazy on how much what these cost, but these have all great, nice quality. Like I said, everything's clearly labeled. It's got their logo on one end, weight on the other end. Definitely stoked about this. You will be seeing me use these quite a bit in some upcoming videos on some of my stuff on my workout gym equipment side. I'm still just in shock that I actually have these here. Thanks again, Better Body. I mean, y'all outdone yourselves on this. And if there's anything y'all want me to do with these, let me know in the comments. Till next time, y'all take it easy.